Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about the empty set, and this is the cause of so many headaches in discrete math. The empty set is really confusing. It's something that a lot of professors like to do trick questions and things like that, so really make sure you kind of understand the details of the empty set. And it's surprisingly simple, but it's definitely the cause of confusion. So let's see what this is all about. The empty set is a special type of set that with no elements inside of it. It's important later in the course, and it's important to understand it now so you're ready for later on in the course. So the empty set is written by just a 0 with a little line through it. This implies the empty set. That's the symbol for it. And now let's write it in terms of our mathematical symbol for sets. It looks like this. Not really our symbol, but kind of how you represent a set. It's with nothing inside of it. That's the empty set. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's empty. It's a set with nothing in it. It's empty. But now some trick questions and things that they like to ask a lot of the time. What is the cardinality of the empty set? Remember, cardinality, I'll write that here just in case you guys forgot. Cardinality, you write it with absolute value symbols and implies what is the number of elements inside of the set. So cardinality of the empty set. That's what I'm asking here. And what it really means is how many elements are inside of the empty set? Well, there's 0, right? Because I just have this set right here, and I'm looking for how many elements are inside of it. There's nothing in there. There are 0 elements inside of the empty set. That's pretty self-explanatory. It kind of gets confusing when I have this. What if I want the cardinality of the set containing the empty set? So, what do I do now? So this one I'm going to write is cardinality of the set containing the empty set. Because notice now it's not just the empty set, I have set notation around it. Set containing the empty set. Containing empty set. Okay. So be careful here and really think about what we're doing. So let's think about what this set looks like just in general. So I have a set here. This is my outside here, and then inside of it I have the empty set. Well, if I have the empty set inside, well, that's a set in itself, so it's this with no numbers or no letters and stuff inside of it. But I want to know the cardinality of it. So how many elements are inside of the set containing the empty set? Well, there's 1. This is 1, and this can be confusing here. But think about this. So we have a set outside, that's this one here, and this is what cardinality wants to know. It wants to know how many elements are inside of that. Well, the element inside is the empty set, right? That whole set is inside of this outer set. So that's why that is 1, and that's why the cardinality of the empty set is 0, because when you have the cardinality of just the empty set, inside of the set, there's nothing. But here, if you're taking the cardinality of the set containing the empty set, you have the empty set inside. So that is an element. So another way to write this would be this. So it's the set containing the empty set. So that element inside is that empty set right there. So it's different from when you just have the empty set, which is just the set containing nothing. So hopefully that makes sense. So this is a really big cause of confusion. I hope we kind of just got the basics down of what the empty set is. It's a set containing nothing, and know the difference between a set containing the empty set and just the empty set by itself. So make sure you know this right here. That symbol, what it means, it's just this set right there. And it's different from a set containing that symbol. So thanks for watching. I know this is probably confusing so far, but you'll get the hang of it, especially as we do more and more practice. So have a good one, and let me know if you have any questions.